Hello, and welcome to the AI Point channel. In this video, we will implement a generative AI solution using Amazon Bedrock. One of the interesting use cases for generative AI is in the fashion industry. For this demo, I built an AI stylist using Amazon Bedrock that allows users to get personalized style suggestions based on their gender and the occasion they're attending. Before we dive into the code, let's learn about Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock simplifies the process of building and integrating generative AI solutions. It provides access to foundation models from various providers through a unified API. It simplifies the process of integrating AI into applications by offering models for tasks like text generation, image generation, and more. In this example, two models are used: Anthropic Cloud V2 version 1, a large language model designed for text-based tasks; Stability Stable Diffusion XLV1, a model focused on image generation, specifically designed to handle text-to-image tasks. If we look at the code, the first part of the code uses the Anthropic Cloud V2 1 model, which is an LLM specializing in generating conversational text and recommendation. Here is how the text generation works. The code constructs the natural language prompt asking for outfit suggestion based on the occasion and gender provided by the user. For example, I am attending a wedding and I am female. What outfit would you suggest? As you can see on the design, user asking for occasion and gender, and the request sent to the Bedrock for the suggestion. The code sends this prompt to the cloud model, which generates a detailed outfit suggestion as text. The response is then split into individual parts, such as sentences or a specific clothing recommendation. For example, a floral dress or comfortable shoes. Once the text suggestion is obtained, the Stability Stable Diffusion XLV1 model generates images based on each part of the text. A stable diffusion excels at transforming text descriptions into detailed, high-quality images. Here is how it works. For each text suggestion part, for example, a floral dress, the code constructs a new prompt like an outfit that matches the following description: a floral dress. This text prompt is sent to the Stable Diffusion model, which generates a corresponding image. The CFG scale, steps, and seed parameters control the quality, diversity, and consistency of the generated images. The model responds with an image in base 64 encoded format, which is then decoded and displayed. Finally, both text and images will be displayed to user. Let's try the code and ask for a style suggestion. Going to a wedding for a female. If you are building this for application, we can just show a loading time so that allow to basically inform the user that it's getting in process. But here is a simple example of just getting the input and then displaying the output. Now we have the result. So you can see it's suggesting the different styles and clothing for a wedding party. So now let's try asking for Christmas party. Now we have the suggestion. So the AI suggested the outfit. So some of the images are a bit distorted because all the models are basically AI generated. But as you can see, it's providing all different sort of suggestions from skirt, dress, pants, sandals, bags, and so on and so on. Yep, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and ready to start building amazing ideas with Amazon Bedrock. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to access to implementing new business ideas using generative AI on AWS Cloud.